In this video, I'll show you how to run in Roblox Studio. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Roblox Studio, right? So this is my Roblox Studio, and from here you can see I'm currently running, I'm currently moving, I'm moving freely, right? So for you to be able to do this, you're going to be using the W button on your keyboard, right? The W button on your keyboard allows you to freely move your mouse gradually, right? You can see this. I'm currently moving my mouse. So this is basically how you can run on your Roblox Studio. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share that video in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.